Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys have had a good day so far, have had a good week. I just wanted to quickly give you a little more information about Project 1, which is our MS Paint project, just so that way you guys have a little more information. So if you have another similar tool or software that you can use, that's totally fine. Microsoft Paint just tends to be the one that most people have, so that's the one I included. It's also the one on the school computers. I don't know if you have access to them, but if you don't, that's completely fine, and if Microsoft Paint doesn't work, you can always use something else that is similar. So I did want to fill you in on a couple different things about this, assuming that you are using Microsoft Paint. If you are not using Microsoft Paint, this might not work for you so much, but some of the information will still be important, so make sure you listen. Okay, so the first thing is, as a reminder, make sure that you are clicking on these different steps if you are having problems or you are not sure what it means. Okay, so make sure you are following each of these steps because it's asking you for very specific things in the project. The next thing is, remember, if you have problems and click on it, it will walk you through the steps. And again, this is for MS Paint. I don't think it will be completely the same if you use something else, but hopefully this helps out a little bit. So the next thing is, if you look at step 1, it says open the existing work file below with the name drawing.png in the Microsoft Paint software. So if I click this, it's probably going to ask you what you want to open it in. And I've already done this, so unfortunately it won't pop up again. But it will probably say, do you want to open it in Photos? Do you want to open it in Microsoft Paint? Or do you want to open it in, I don't know, something else? So if I click it and you click Microsoft Paint, then that means that it's going to open up in Microsoft Paint for you and you're already good to start. Okay? So I am going to click. You can either click the arrow and then open, or you can just click the thing when it pops up. And now because I've already said that I want to open it in Microsoft Paint, and when I click on it, it will automatically open in Microsoft Paint. Okay? Now if that does not happen for some reason, if it does not open in Microsoft Paint, what you want to do is at the bottom you want to go to the folder with all your files on the computer. You go to Downloads, and then single click, don't double click, on your new download, which is the drawing one. Okay, if you don't know where to find it, if you hit date modified, okay, you can see what you just downloaded by the date and time. So this is actually the one I just downloaded. So if I right click it, okay, so after I've selected it, I right click it, so that's the one that's on the other side of the mouse. Okay, and then you'll get all these different options. If you hit open with, and then go to Microsoft Paint, okay, it just says Paint. So open with and Paint, and it will open up in Paint for you. Okay, so that hopefully will help out a little bit. Please remember, follow the instructions, and there's an example down below if you are not sure what it's supposed to look like. It should not look exactly like this because it's your own work, and it should be slightly different. But if you follow these steps, it will look similar. Okay? And then don't forget to save your work before you close it. See, I closed mine, so I don't have it saved. So even if I did something, it's not going to be saved. So make sure you save it, and then you can upload it. Okay? You don't need to print it if you do not want to, because all of the projects will be uploaded. So if you want to print it for yourself, that's fine, but all you need to do is upload. Okay? I hope that helps a little bit, and if you have any other questions, feel free to message me and I'll do my best to help. Okay? Have a great day.